I had to just get in here and try and catch a crayfish, but I already found something after moving the first rock after I kind of waded in here a little bit. Right under this leaf is like this little salamander. We always called them mud puppies. But I'm probably not going to be able to catch him with one hand, but there he kind of goes. Kind of has gills. He might have lungs too, but got 4 legs. And there he is still. Trying to get rid of some of this glare. I see him right there. There's his tail. There he takes off. Going across that rock right there. Yeah, some little salamander. Always call them mud puppies. They're always down in this creek. Let's see what else I can find in here. Oh, that rock feels buried. Not sure what's going to be in there. Minnows are nipping my feet. There's a ton of them. They'll bite me in the ankle and everything. Thing they don't hurt. Salamander's gonna start trying to crawl up underneath that rock. See if there's anything under this rock. That was bigger than I expected. Oh, I see a little crayfish crawling around. I don't have the camera focused on it because I'm wanting to see what might emerge from the murk here. Crayfish going between my toes, little baby. Going back there by my ankle. Quit biting me. I'm not food. Bloop. Alright, well, let's see here, further out here. Oh, look at that, there's a crayfish right in there, in that rock. Well, let me see if I can't catch him. There he is, sorry. I was watching with my eyes, not the camera. I'll see if I can catch him.